Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Hi, let's know how to create whiteboard animation in Filmora X. Let's get started. So I have taken a village image and a white hand holding a pencil. Let's increase this timeline of the video and let's add a sample color white. Yes, let's add white color and let's now add an image. If you have taken an image of a hand with a white background, so let's do chroma key. If not, you have taken the image with normal color, then don't use chroma key. Just add white color and the hand image. Set right to the corner. Yes. So let's increase the size. Like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Let's go to animation, customize, and add a keyframe right there. And okay, let's move the video forward. Yeah, and let's add another keyframe here. Yes. Okay. Yeah, let's move down slowly. Down. Yes, okay. Now the keyframe option has been added. Let's check it. Yeah, first select the white image and select again the white, and again see that the first set means a first pair of keyframe and the second pair of keyframe should be the same. Let's select the white image and decrease the size, making the image down slowly. Okay, so I have taken the keyframe first pair and the second pair the same. Yes. Okay, and click the hand image now. Yeah, click it, add by saying the timeline and the video of the village and the white means if we have to draw the same, so we start a drawing starting to the end. So to be nice of the video, I have taken part to add a keyframe. So I'm adding the keyframes in the small parts of the video. If you're having 10 minutes of video, first 2 minutes, 4 minutes, 6 minutes or 7 minutes by the timeline and the video time. Yes, let's add 9 keyframes for the video. It's a rule and the time to add. Don't forget to add 9 keyframes by using your time and the timeline. Yes, okay. Yeah, let's add here. Yes. Let's check it. Don't forget to select the second, fourth, sixth, and eighth keyframes. Just select second, fourth, sixth, and eighth keyframes. And moving it to the right. Now let's select. Yeah. Let's select fourth keyframe. Move right. Yes. So I want to take the hand close to the image and the proper right. Yes. Now let's select sixth one. Move it to the right. Yes. Okay, and now let's select 8th keyframe. Yes. And let's move it again towards right. Yes. So let's see how it is. Yeah. Wow. Wow. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks.